You are joining us back on the show floor here at Helitech International 2015, where I'm on the MICCAVIONICS stand, joined by CEO Peter Straube. Peter, how are you, sir?
Great, thanks. Very well. How are you?
Good, I'm very well. I'm very well indeed. I want to find out a bit about MICCAVIONICS. Tell me how long you've been in business. Tell me the kind of part of the aeronautics industry that you're involved in.
Yes, MICCAVIONICS, our name is program, stands for Mission, Command and Control Avionics. Okay. Yeah, so we offer software and hardware solutions for airborne mission-critical management information systems.
Sure. And who typically are your customers in that case?
Well, of course, we have governmental customers as our main customers, but also the system can be used for civil applications, and there it would be, for example, police can be, and so on.
Emergency services stuff. All right, so you've got some examples of your technology, your solutions here on your stand here at Helitech International. Let's take a look at some of those, shall we? Tell me what we are looking at just here, if you will, Peter. I'll tell you what, I'll come around here so we're going to make sure we can hear you.
What you see here is our CMAS software. It is our core business that we present. We present software avionics solutions, and CMAS stands for Situational Mission Awareness Software.
Okay.
So the core capabilities of the program is for first of all situational awareness. So we can have obstacles or terrain information that we can present. Yes. Airspace warnings, HTORS information, so helicopter terrain. Yep. And warning systems, so to give situational awareness to the pilot during his mission.
Absolutely.
But
so just to confirm, this is your software.
Right.
On this
right.
As well. Cool. Okay. You've got some other. You've got another.
Yeah. These are. It's the same software. It's only the presentation that we are not hardware dependent. We can implement the software on whatever hardware. Right.
Gets used quite a lot because
yes.
It's very rugged.
Yes, but the situational awareness is not the only capability. We also have mission management, so in terms of navigational aid, in terms of flight task planning, steering and control, we can give you take into consideration of mission threats, for example. So we have the situational awareness, and we can plan and execute and steer missions and debrief missions with our systems as an information system.
So how long has this software been in development for then?
So we are in this field of business. We are since around about 15 years. Yeah. Came out of we developed this software and it has been combat proven by the French Army Aviation, and within a very heterogeneous infrastructure. So we have communication as one additional capability that we can show, that we do not act as a standalone system, but all systems can communicate among each other, either with radio or with GSM or with SATCOM and so on. So we can build loops to have information data interchange and to have one picture for everybody, the same information.
Terrific. So we're seeing very much the front end here. Let's take a look at the last of your plinths here. Just invite you to go there. What is it we're looking at just here, Peter?
So here you see a mission computer. For example, as I mentioned, we are not hardware-related dependent. So you can choose whatever hardware is suitable for you, and we can adjust and implement our software then on this hardware platform.
Sure. It looks just like an onboard mission computer should do, if you ask me, as indeed does your software. Terrific stuff. Thank you very much. Tell me a bit about how the Helitech International show is working for you, Peter.
Well, it's not the first time that we are here. We have been last year attending to the Helitech, so also the changing of location, I think, is very useful in terms of having, let's say, Europe-wide attendances here. So I think this is a very good sign, and we have started yesterday, as you know, and we have good discussions on interesting people who may show concrete projects afterwards.
Yes, of course. And obviously, apart from your own stand here at MICCAVIONICS, are there any highlights that you've seen from around the floor? Anything that's particularly excited you?
Well, you only have to look on the backside of you. You see the Airbus helicopter with the new H145, and I think this is very impressive as one object where we want, of course, to be integrated in.
I'm I'm sure you do. Listen, Peter Straube, CEO of MICCAVIONICS, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope the rest of the show carries on being as successful as it has been so far. Thank you.
Thank you very much.